Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah kajala ukonrat ki sangma mentakasngi ka arpu pratrik jeliu arja pusau. Ula Pynrem jur hakabede baka Jingjia Garo Hills. Hakabakawe ka Kynthei kala Shah bom bat Shah Shoh haki katuk ani kishenrang kabalaja hashnong lower Texagre kabahap hathanat Damal Asim hadading gre kabahap West Garo Hills district. Myntri Rangbah ulaong baladaran kanu-kanu gejingle bakala kide banyan kat kumkaan bat kimte ban shim ya kaan halakti. Ulaong ru bakitu ki badan kti ban le ekini ki kam kin Shah pengat haki kandon an ki bating e.
I don't know the exact number that is there, but let me make it very clear that we condemn all this kind of activities, and the individuals who are responsible for this, strict action will be taken against them. What they did was wrong. If there is any issue, any concern, then we should follow the process, and the legal process should be followed. But one cannot take this entire issue in their own hands and think that they can just simply go ahead and take the law in their hand in one way and try to teach somebody a lesson, which is really incorrect. And the way it was happened also was very incorrect. So we will take strict action against those people who are involved. There are laws, different laws are there. I will not have the whole list of them. But yes, wherever it's required for us to examine and look into amendments to cater and to look into the different such incidents that are taking place, we can definitely examine that.